Hello everyone. In this video, we will be particularly dealing with the NCLEX RN registration process. NCLEX RN is required for those candidates who seek a license in USA, Australia and Canada. As you know, NCLEX requires a long-term preparation. You need to understand how the exam works, you need to plan out and you will need to prepare. In our previous videos, we have already mentioned how the NCLEX preparation has to be done, and furthermore, we will be updating more such videos. The first step for NCLEX RN exam registration is the Credentials Evaluation Services. This is nothing but a verification of your certificates. This is a detailed analysis of all your credentials or your certificates that you have gained at your JNM, BSc or the MSc. And they compare and gives a report of the foreign graduate according to the standards of the US. So it is based on this evaluation reports that you will be allowed to write the exam. The Credential Evaluation Services is done by many providers, one of which is the CGFNS. CGFNS is nothing but the Commission on Graduates of Foreign Nursing Schools. The second one is the Joseph and Silney Associates. Third one, we have the ERES services, the Educational Records Evaluation Services. We have the IERF. So these are some of the providers from which you could do the Credentials Evaluation Services. Most of the states commonly approve the report from the CGFNS, so you could use that. Now, during the time of verification, you will need to submit your passport size photo, your passport details, your education details and your registration. Now, when you start your Credentials Evaluation Services, you will have to provide your passport size photograph, your passport details, your education. The education detail has to go directly from the college to the Credentials Evaluation Service provider, and even the registration, a copy directly has to go from the council where you are registered to the Credential Evaluation Service provider, and they will be evaluating all those credentials, comparing with the US standards and provides a report, and there you complete the first step. This takes approximately $365. The second step is application to the nursing board. Depending upon the state to which you are applying, you should be sending the report to the specific nursing board. They evaluate the report and give you an authorization to test. Now, this authorization to test is an approval for you to write the exam. The authorization to test is valid for 3 months and you will have to complete the test within this 3 months. It is with this authorization to test you will have to schedule your exam. Each state nursing regulatory body has their own application fees which has to be checked and it has to be paid and starts from $100. Now, the third step is the scheduling of exam. Now, the scheduling of exam is done through the Pearson VUE. The scheduling of exam will cost you around $200. So, once you schedule the exam, if you need to write in any other foreign countries like other than US, you will have to pay an extra amount of $150. Once you finish the exam at the Pearson VUE Center, the result will be sent from the Pearson VUE Center to the nursing regulator body, and they are the one who will decide upon your results, and the result will be released by the nursing regulator body. Depending upon certain states, they might have extra requirements, like for example, there could be an English language requirement for writing the exam. There could be a requirement of doing an extra course based on your transcript report, or even a fingerprint will need to be submitted for an approval of the exam. So, this is the whole of the NCLEX RN process. You can always do it alone. Check which is the state to which you want to apply. Check specifically what is the process that needs to be done to that state, and then you can get ready with all the documents and you can start the process. So, yes, for any other support you can always contact us. Thank you.